Today, we're excited to announce the upcoming release of ChatGPT 4, the latest version of one of the most advanced AI language models in the world. ChatGPT 4 is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI that uses deep learning algorithms to process and analyze natural language text. ChatGPT 4 is built on the same foundation as its predecessors, but with some exciting new features. It has more parameters, which means it can process larger and more complex datasets. It also has improved accuracy, with the ability to understand context and nuance better than before. ChatGPT 4 has the potential to revolutionize natural language processing. It can be used for a wide range of applications, from chatbots and virtual assistants to content generation and machine translation. With its advanced capabilities, ChatGPT 4 will open up new possibilities for businesses and individuals alike. The exact release date of ChatGPT 4 is yet to be announced, but we can expect it to be launched sometime in the near future. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and we hope you're as excited as we are about the upcoming release of ChatGPT 4. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest AI developments and innovations.